Jordan Brand is already setting the tone for spring 2026 with a first look at an upcoming kids-exclusive Air Jordan 4 designed for Valentine's Day. This special release is expected to arrive in early February and features a fun yet premium color combination that feels perfect for the season. The sneaker starts with a clean all-white leather upper, giving it a fresh and versatile base. Vapor green appears on the midfoot netting and tongue, paired with a matching Jordan flight patch for a cohesive look. Half-blue translucent eyelet wings add a modern touch, while medium soft pink stands out on the midsole accents, Jumpman logos, and the oversized heart-shaped hangtag. This playful detail clearly ties the shoe to the Valentine's theme. The Air Jordan 4 is expected to release on February 1, 2026 in full kids sizing, including big kids, little kids, and toddler options, making it a standout holiday drop for younger sneaker fans.